Hello, good morning students. Welcome to my channel. Today in this class we are going to do all the exercises of chapter Wash, a mission to accomplish of your English Fairy workbook. Let's start with exercise A, true false, given on page number 21. Write T for true and F for false for these sentences. First one, the WASH program is an initiative by USAID. This is false. This is initiative taken by UNICEF. Second, every day over 800 children die due to poor hygiene and lack of clean drinking water. This is true. Third, access to clean water reduces the productivity of the nation. This is false. It increases the productivity of nation. Fourth, open defecation is a concern in developed countries. This is false. This is a concern in developing countries. Fifth, World Toilet Day is observed on 15th October of every year. This is again false. This is observed on 19th November of every year. Next we are going to do vocabulary section given on page number 22. Fill in the blanks with correct phrasal verbs in the box. In a box, few phrasal verbs are given. With the help of these phrasal verbs, you have to fill in the blanks. Now first one, the two sisters have fallen out over a trivial misunderstanding. So here you will fill out fallen out. Fallen out means झगड़ा करना, लड़ाई करना, quarrel करना. If all the members of the group dash, the project will be successful, and you will fill here pitch in. Pitch in means begin to work. Next, she has been given a dash computer. Run down computer. Run down means जो जर्जर अवस्था में हो, टूटा फूटा हो. Next, the department has dash the water supply for maintenance without prior notice, and here you will fill cut out, बंद कर दिया. Next, the famous poet was dash by his maternal grandparents. Brought up means परवरिश करना. Next, we decided to dash the map carefully to avoid getting lost, and here you will fill look up. Next, Sheila spoke so incoherently that I could not dash what she was saying. Set aside. Next, Larry always dash some money every month for any unexpected expenses that he may incur later. Make out. Next, we are going to do grammar portion. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the simple present tense form of the verbs in brackets. Phillips है, उसके बाद ब्रैकेट में आपको वर्ब दिया हुआ है को सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग फिल करना है वर्ब को. स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू टेक केयर हाउ सेंटेंसेस इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस आर फॉर्म्ड. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में सेंटेंस की फॉर्मेशन क्या होती है. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि आई, यू, वी, दे और प्लूरल नाउन के साथ हमेशा बेस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगती है, और ही, शी, इट और सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ हमेशा एस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगती है. तो आइए फिल करते हैं. रीटा. नाउ ब्रैकेट वर्ब इज स्पीक. अब रीटा क्या है? सिंगुलर नाउन है. सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ एस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगती है. रीटा स्पीक्स जर्मन फ्लुएंटली. शी के साथ क्या लगती है? एस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. शी लाइक्स. लाइक का हो जाएगा लाइक्स. शी लाइक्स द लैंग्वेज वेरी मच. हर नेबर लिंडा. नाउ लिंडा इज अगेन सिंगुलर नाउन एंड बी लिखा है ब्रैकेट में. बी के फॉर्म क्या है? इज. एम आर वॉज वर. तो यहां पर क्या आएगा? सिंगुलर नाउन है इज. लिंडा इज अ जर्मन. रीटा ब्रैकेट वर्ड है वॉन्ट. रीटा सिंगुलर नाउन है, एस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगेगा. रीटा वॉन्ट्स टू विजिट हर आंट एंड अंकल. नाउ अगेन आंट एंड अंकल प्लूरल नंबर हो गया. हु लिव इन जर्मनी. हर फादर. नाउ ब्रैकेट वर्ड इज प्रॉमिस. हर फादर सिंगुलर नाउन है, एस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लगेगा. हर फादर प्रॉमिसेस टू मेक ऑल द अरेंजमेंट्स फॉर हर ट्रेवल. रीटा डैश डिलाइटेड. रीटा अगेन बी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब क्या आएगी यहाँ पर सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में? is Rita is delighted. Her mother dash some gifts for her aunt. Her mother pack, सिंगुलर नाउन है तो पैक का हो जाएगा packs. Her mother packs some gifts for her aunt, uncle and her cousins. Her cousins, again plural number, base form of verb. Her cousins send her an email about the places they wish to visit. She dash, she is a very lucky girl to have such a loving family. She thinks. So students, in this way you will complete these blanks with the help of verbs given in the bracket. Next we are going to do exercise B under grammar section given on page number 23. Fill in the blanks with simple past tense form of the verbs given in brackets. इस पैराग्राफ को आपको सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में कंप्लीट करना है. The words which are given in the bracket, you have to fill past form of those words in the blanks. So it is very easy, student. Wherever bracket word is given in the blank, you have to fill second form of verb, that is past form of verb in the bracket. Let's do it. My father dash do not leave early for office today. Do की second form क्या है? Did not leave. His friend who lives in Goa dash him in the morning. Bracket word is call. Second form क्या हो गई? Called. After he dash to his friend. Bracket word is speak. तो second form क्या हो गई? Spoke. After he spoke to his friend for half an hour, father look की past form क्या है? Looked. Father looked really upset. He replaced the receiver and tell की second form हो गई told, and told us that his friend had been injured in an accident and needed his help. We all helped father to pack his suitcase and go की second form क्या है? Went. Go, went, gone. So second form is went, and went to the airport to see him off. Next we are going to do exercise C given on page number 24. Fill in the blanks with the simple future tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. इस बॉक्स में जो verbs हैं उनकी आपको simple future tense form फिल करनी है ब्लैंक्स में. वेरी सिंपल स्टूडेंट. सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए आपको विल शेल के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करनी है. तो वर्ब की फॉर्म आपके ब्रैकेट में दी है, आपको उसके पहले केवल विल या शेल लगाना है. सो लेट्स डू इट. नीता डैश, ब्रैकेट वर्ड इज कंप्लीट हर पेंटिंग टुमारो. Will complete her painting tomorrow. She dash it to the gallery near her house. Bracket word is take. हमने क्या किया? Will take. Next, if the manager of the gallery likes it, he will accept it. He dash it in the exhibition that the gallery will display, in the exhibition that the gallery will hold next month. Neeta will feel very happy if her painting finds a place in the exhibition. Next we are going to do exercise D given on page number 24. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous tense of the verbs given in brackets to describe the activities that you can see in a busy airport. यहाँ पर एक एयरपोर्ट की एक्टिविटीज को डिस्क्राइब किया गया है और ब्लैंक्स में आपको दिए हुए वर्ब की प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब फिल करनी है. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में क्या होता है? इज एम आर के साथ वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आई एन जी लगता है. सिंगुलर नाउन है तो इज, प्लूरल नाउन है तो आर और आई के साथ हमेशा एम लगता है. तो लेट्स डू इट. ब्रेट एंड रीटा, ब्रैकेट वर्ड क्या है? वेट. अब ब्रेट एंड रीटा प्लूरल नंबर हो गया तो आर लगेगा. आर प्लस वर्ब प्लस आई एन जी. आर वेटिंग इन द एयरपोर्ट टू रिसीव देयर आंट हु इज कमिंग. आंट सिंगुलर नाउन तो इज लगेगा, कम के साथ आई एन जी. कमिंग इज कमिंग फ्रॉम पेरिस. Many people dash at the airport from distant places. Bracket word is arrive. People plural number है, are arriving. Next, planes are taking Planes plural number है, are taking off and landing every few minutes. Some passengers, again plural number, passengers are weighing their luggage. Some are inquiring about the departure of their flights, and a few are proceeding to the gates for security check. The airport staff present at the various counters are answering all the questions of the passengers very patiently and politely. A few children are eating some snacks and their parents are drinking hot coffee. Many people are purchasing magazines and books from the bookshops to read during the flight. Next is E exercise. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense of the verbs given in brackets to describe the scene on a rainy day. This is a rainy day scene. यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में इस पैराग्राफ को कंप्लीट करना है. पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब वॉज वर के साथ वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी का यूज होता है. सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ वॉज और प्लूरल नाउन के साथ वर का यूज होता है. नाउ लेट्स डू इट. इट ब्रैकेट वर्ड इज रेन heavily. It was raining heavily. Very few pedestrians were walking on the streets. The cars and buses on the roads were moving very slowly. People were walking carefully on the slippery roads. They were carrying, bracket word is carry, they plural pronoun hai, so were carrying umbrellas to protect themselves from the rain. Children, again plural number, were staying indoors. They were playing Scrabble and Ludo. Some of them were making paper boats. They dash themselves as they had a holiday. They were enjoying themselves. They dash were eating hot snacks which tasted delicious. Even birds were resting in their nests peacefully. Next we are going to do exercise F given on page number 25. Fill in the blanks with the future continuous tense of the verbs in brackets. इनको आपको फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में फिल करना है. फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस की फॉर्मेशन कैसे होती है, विल बी प्लस वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी. सो लेट्स डू इट. मीटा एंड हर कजन्स, ब्रैकेट वर्ड है गो, वेरी सिंपल, विल बी going for a tour of Europe next year. They will be visiting Germany, France, Switzerland and Italy. They will be spending more time in Italy. They will be traveling by the Euro rail and they are excited about the trip. They will be going during their summer vacation. They will be staying with Mita's friend in Paris. She will be accompanying them to Italy. She again will be helping them with their itinerary and travel arrangements. Mita will be celebrating her birthday at her friend's house. At her birthday, they will be going to the Louvre Museum in Paris. So students, in this way you will complete this paragraph. Now that's all for today. I hope you have understood all the exercises very well. If you like the video, then press on like button, share your views in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's all for today. We'll meet again with another video. Till then, bye bye. Have a good day.